miss my stew so much.
Don't pack up my money. Now that fell,
Hi guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome and welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, my name is Joy, okay, and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. Welcome to my channel. So yeah guys, today I'll be going to the market. This is morning, this is 8 a.m. in the morning, and um I want to go to the market to buy few things for the house. Yeah. But guys, it's been raining this morning and I can't go inside this rain. I'll have to wait for the rain to before going. Let me show you guys. So guys, like, can't wait for the rain to stop. Fingers crossed. Hopefully it stops before 10 so I can go and buy whatever I want to buy and come back home. Be giving you guys content back to back. So I'm going to be giving it to you guys back to back. So please. I don't even I think I'm going to change this dress. I don't want to wear something that has opening to the market. But anyways, I'm tying my hair because of I just want to tie my hair. Yeah, I just want to tie my hair. So I'll be heading to the market now and I'll try to take you guys along with me to the market. I'll make sure I don't forget to vlog. I'll try. So let's go to the market. It has stopped raining and there's a little bit of sunshine outside. So I think I can actually go to the market today because I don't want to go tomorrow. I might be too occupied to do every other thing I have to do tomorrow. I'm so excited to have you guys in my corner. So let's go to the market together. Quickly, let's see you guys at the market. Bye guys. tired. Like, I'm very tired. Things are so expensive. If you can feed in this economy, kudos to you because things are so expensive. I do not really know where we are heading to in this economy. People are suffering. Anyways, it's where we move. I'll try to show you guys things I bought. Oh, guys, this allowed my hair to dry. So, yeah, I want to visit a friend. Yeah, I want to visit a friend. It's been long. I saw her. So she invited me over today. As you guys saw, I just had my bath and I'm combing out my hair. This is the hair cream I'm using. I need to like Afro American hair conditioner. So it's an hair cream. So I don't feel like wearing wig or something to the place. I just want to pack my hair. Do you know that this hair is just a year? Because I actually cut my hair. My hair was very long before, so I cut it because the front was breaking. Just a year and it's already grown. I'm not doing anything serious. I just want to like apply my foundation and I'm not even drawing brows. I don't know if I should draw my brows. I think I should. Okay, I'll just draw my brows. Said I wasn't going to do like a serious makeup. This is me planning to draw brows. Something simple to something serious. So guys, you'll be asking why I have another channel. But if you check very well, my other channel is no longer functioning. I had like an issue I needed to sort, but I wasn't able to like recover the channel back. So I had to like create a new channel, which is this one. So please guys, every means possible to recover that channel, but to no avail. Please follow this new channel. This is my current channel. This is where I'm going to like be posting my vlogs and everything. So guys, thank you so much for joining me. I love you guys. Welcome to my world, John's world. To me. So I have a weekend getaway with my friends. I get to see my friends. It's been a while, like we saw. These are my childhood friends, so she's so Chidinma, Oluchi and Chema. So I'm going to be seeing all of them this Friday salon to like weave my hair because I don't intend braiding or making anything serious. So I'm going to the salon to weave my hair, then polish my nails. Like probably just wear one of my wigs. Just need to like weave my hair all back. Then wear one. Need to make sure that I'm productive. And so, do you know what? I'm actually confused. I'm confused because I really want to make my hair. I want to braid. I feel like braiding. But I'm scared of sitting down for too long and, you know, going through that pains of braiding my hair. So that's why I'm being skeptical about what I want to do. So you guys are going to see me in the next video. Okay? Konoma, so let's prepare and look good. Guys, I feel so good. Do you know that feeling when you just like do like a simple skincare routine? You just feel like you're looking so good. I feel so good right now. Guys, I'm just going to like change into my outfit for the out. I want to call my friend. I want to be sure that she's around before I start leaving the house. Okay, let me text her on WhatsApp. On time, Sha. I don't know if it's exactly 4:30. If we didn't close on time, I will tell you to come in. It will be next week. So I want you to come in. Come in there. You cook your stew on Saturday, please. Please. Okay. Just said she's in a meeting right now, so and I'm already set to visit her. So that won't be possible anymore. You are my stew. Okay, no problem now. And when I come, I'm going to prepare food for you. I know you miss my stew so much. I'm also expecting my dress, the dress I want to wear. I'm expecting the dress today. The rider is yet to call me, and they said they've sent the package since morning through the dispatch rider, but he's yet to arrive. And I'm still waiting and hoping that he arrives because I need to test it and know if it fits. This is what today is Tuesday. I have Wednesday, Thursday. I have just 2 days to make sure that my dress is okay. Yeah. So I'm waiting for the ride on. I'm going to like call and know where it is because it's already getting dark. What's the time now? The time is So the time is 6. I don't know. Fingers crossed. Hopefully he gets here before 8 or something. Because it was his money they gave him the package to deliver to me. And I'm still here waiting for my dress. Alright. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys.